Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add a Discord member count bot. So as you can see, we're currently on Discord, and just open your browser or your preferred browser. So for me, I use Chrome. Just search for server stats bot. So as you can see, it's there. And click on this first link. You'll be redirected here and click on invite bot. So just select the server that you want to add the bot into, and make sure these are all checked, and click on authorize and click on the verification here. Just go through that. Once you're done, as you can see, the server stats bot is on the channel already. So just go with on the Discord server, and as you can see, server stats showed up. And what you'd want to do is just click on the slash here, and as you can see, there's a setup here. So click on that. So these are the options: so voice channel, text channel, announcement, and stage. So let's go with voice channel here and click on default counters, or it's up to you. For this video, we're gonna go with default counters, and just click on enter. So wait for it to start. As you can see, there's a service stats that has been added here. You see all the members, the bots, members here. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.